In this real-world clip, you have seen Tesla's Autopilot react in a split second, making an extraordinary slide to the right to avoid a potential collision. This isn't just driver assistance, it's a showcase of how far AI-powered driving technology has come. From lane keeping to emergency maneuvers, Tesla's Autopilot is designed to read the road and react faster than most humans can. But this moment? It goes beyond expectations, proving why advanced driver assistance systems are at the center of the future of mobility. Have you ever wondered how a Tesla can react faster than a human to avoid a collision? In this video, we're diving deep into the technology behind Tesla's Autopilot, how it sees, thinks, and drives itself. From cameras and neural networks to real-time decision-making, we'll break down exactly what powers this extraordinary driver assistance system. 1. Sensor Suite, seeing the road. Tesla's Autopilot relies on a sophisticated sensor suite called Tesla Vision, which uses 8 external cameras providing a 360 degrees view of the car's surroundings, ultrasonic sensors for close-range object detection, and a forward-facing radar. In older models, Tesla has transitioned to vision only in recent updates. These sensors feed massive amounts of data into Tesla's onboard Full Self-Driving (FSD) computer, also known as Hardware 3, HW3. This is Tesla's custom AI chip, capable of processing trillions of operations per second, essential for real-time driving decisions. 2. Neural networks, understanding the world. All of that raw sensor data would be useless without a brain to make sense of it. Tesla uses deep neural networks trained on millions of miles of real-world driving data. These networks can detect other vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, lane markings, traffic signs, and lights, road edges, curbs, and obstacles. Essentially, the neural networks convert the chaotic visual and sensor input into a structured understanding of the car's environment, generating a 3D map of the scene around the vehicle in real time. 3. Path planning and decision-making. Once the car understands its surroundings, Autopilot needs to decide what to do next. This is handled by Tesla's motion planning algorithms, which calculate the safest and most efficient trajectory. The system continuously evaluates lane position and speed, nearby vehicles' predicted movements, traffic rules, and environmental conditions. For example, in the real-world clip you'll see, Autopilot detects a car suddenly cutting into its lane. The path planning module instantly calculates a safe slide to the right, factoring in available road space, speed, and proximity to other objects. Then the steering, braking, and acceleration commands are sent to the car's actuators, all in milliseconds. 4. Continuous learning and updates. One of the most powerful aspects of Tesla Autopilot is that it learns continuously. Every Tesla on the road sends anonymized driving data back to Tesla's servers. This allows neural networks to improve constantly, learning from rare events, like sudden lane intrusions, so future models handle them more efficiently. This fleet learning approach gives Tesla a huge advantage. The more cars on the road, the smarter the system becomes. 5. Real-world application. In real-life scenarios, Autopilot isn't just following lanes, it's predicting the behavior of everything around it. That's why in some situations, the car can perform what looks like an extraordinary maneuver, like a rapid slide to avoid a collision. It's not luck, it's millions of calculations and predictions happening in real time, every second. Tesla Autopilot is a combination of cutting-edge computer vision, deep learning, and motion planning algorithms. While it's not fully autonomous yet, the technology is redefining what advanced driver assistance systems can do. Every new update pushes the boundaries of AI in real-world driving, bringing us closer to safer, smarter roads. If you want to see more breakdowns of Tesla's Autopilot, neural networks, and AI-driven driving tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. And let us know in the comments, what's the most impressive Tesla Autopilot maneuver you've seen?